Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here is we take a look at a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit will drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. We read the label, everything on the label. We take a look at the artwork, we crack it open and see if it meets expectations. First of all, though, all beer should be served at the correct temperature. Lagers between 37 and 47 degrees Fahrenheit, and ales between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I use a ThermoWorks Insta-Read thermometer. There is a link in the description box below if you are interested. Also, all of our beers are tasted in the same glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. And finally, most folks when they do a tasting, they will take a look, they will sniff, they will sip, and they will pontificate. Well, I'll pontificate, don't worry, but I sip first. Why? Wine expert Fred Dax will explain it all to you. Click on the banner up there. He does it a lot better than I can. All right, what do we have today? Today, SingleCut Brewery, and they are, let's see, where are they? They're on here somewhere, but anyways, this is their SingleCut Bunny Rabbit beer. Okay. Brewed and canned by SingleCut Beersmiths, Astoria, New York City, and Clifton Park, New York. Rupslin says, R-U-L-P-S-E-N. It's got like this robotic-looking fermenter, actually mash tun, that says, come visit our brewery. There's a line bar code there. A government warning that I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. Okay, and they got that nice little bunny rabbit here. And then it says, the bright and hollow sky. Double dry hopped India Pale Ale, 1 pint, 7% alcohol by volume. Drink ASAP in a clean, wide-mouthed glass. Store cold and upright. Unfiltered. Decant carefully. SingleCut.com. Mastery knows no shortcut. $5.99 at the local beer store. So I tell you, you got to go looking to see what they're talking about. And the bunny rabbit in the sky and a bright and hollow sky. There was a... if you look for it sometime, there's a Keir Delay short movie. It lasts about 10-15 minutes long. That has to do with test pilots. And I think it's called Bright and Clear Sky or something like that. And it is a very eerie film. But as soon as I saw that, I'm going, wait, eerie film and it's got a bunny rabbit? All right, well, anyway. What are we looking forward to here? We're looking forward to a double dry hopped India Pale Ale. Why an ethereal look to it, I don't know, but a double dry hopped, okay. A very, the hops are going to clean your teeth. It's going to be very full-bodied. It's probably going to be a smoothie-looking thing, although it says not to shake it or to be very careful when you pour it. So hopefully it's not going to be a real smoothie, but it's going to be unfiltered, very hoppy, very kind of a astringent type of flavor with a real noted hop nose. Okay, let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. All right, that's not too bad. It's pouring fairly clear. We've got a good look at it. The carbonation's outstanding. It pours a very nice head on that. That is a beautiful looking beer. Ale. Be careful, Peter. Scooter will catch you. Okay, it's coming in at 49 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right at the edge. Perfect for an ale. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, well, it certainly looks like an India Pale Ale. A double dry hopped India Pale Ale. I don't know what they look like, but I know what they taste like. And let's see if this one does. Cheers. Yeah, I took two sips. The reason I did that is it's just 11 o'clock in the morning on President's Day, and my taste buds thought they had the day off. They didn't, so they had to be woke. Well, they're woke now. I can guarantee you. Okay. Let's see what their little olfactory friends have to say. Oh yeah, there is some dank dark grass with a little bit of hay and some of that crumpled up, very green type of leaf, similar to a tomato leaf, if you get that type of aroma there. That's right there. Okay, well, let's see what the taste buds have to say about that. Ooh, okay. This is it. It is, for a double dry hopped, I was expecting much more of an aromatic on this. I am getting a real extra bit of emphasis on the hops in the flavor. It's a good full-bodied beer, so it can stand up to a really hefty hop, and that is what it is. It's there. However, it's not one of those, I said, real teeth cleaning type of astringent thing to match an aggressive nose. So, just one more time. I tell you, now I know why they have the ethereal look of the little bunny rabbit up in the clouds. This isn't a earthy IPA, double dry hopped IPA. This is an ethereal, more of an aromatic. And in that case, they make a point, but it's a very obscure point. So does it meet expectations? Well, if I put it in context with the little bunny rabbit on the label, yes, it does. It's a matter of reading the label and understanding it. So if that's part of it, I just missed the message and the expectation. But it's there, plain as day. So did it meet expectations? Yes, it did. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Share us with your friends. A thumbs up would be great, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.